Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. So
You are highly invited to my daddy's birthday, which is on the 27th of this month.
yes, it's happening live and direct at Akajiófòr Palace.
Stop, don't play, or you will learn the hard way.
Yes. If you are coming, please come with your gift. Yeah, let your gift be massive. Thank you very much.
Let your gift speak volume. Let it speak volume.
We don't want to hear a king was born.
Yes, you are highly invited to his birthday celebration.
Yes, we are going to cook many foods. The food is going to be surplus.
You eat till you belly full.
Yes, it's not easy. Oh.
And this man is an old man.
Yeah.
You know, this man is an old man. When I'm getting old, I'll ask him what he's eating. Because this man cannot be looking like this with this age. Yeah?
Hey.
Mama, see me whenever I get anywhere. I don't get old for I. But see my papa.
Like father, like children.
This
This my beloved family, my children.
Yes.
Obinne and the Otonaya. One beloved family.
Yes, so.
This is one beloved family. I am Ozo Akajiófòr the second of Igbo land.
Yes.
Ozo Ementa Emimo.
Anamaka.
One.
Yes.
Nali Bonine.
Yes.
And this is my beloved daughter. Obinnaya.
No,
Naya. My beautiful daughters.
Yes, so na chompo ne kuma yana megwe na chompa moku na chomoku nga chogi da your house. FBI don't play.
Una chokano maka moku. Kenano. We are one beloved family. Ogadelo no mma.
Yes,
Ndị Igbo ogadelo no mma.
Yeah. See you guys.
See you.